As a business, it's essential, it's imperative that you start a podcast at some stage. It's not only an opportunity for you to interview people or talk about how great your business is. You can interview people who use your services for testimonials. You can talk to your current clients and have them share their experience working with you as a vendor or as a service business, B2B or B2C. You can have people who are potential leads. You can interview them as well. And that can be a fantastic way to facilitate more business because you can present value to them by sharing them with your network and showing them your consistency. When you have a podcast, when you do it deliberately and you show through the continuity of time that you have had, dozens of episodes or even 100 plus, then it distinguishes you from your competitors because right now podcasts are the least saturated digital media market that's also still popular. So if you're considering to do a podcast show, if you're looking into that, or if you're looking into doing the distribution of that, then connect with us at mediatrainerpro.com and we can assist you with that because we are podcasters ourselves. There's people on our team who have done dozens, if not hundreds of podcasts as both interviewer and interviewee. And you're going to have all of your needs met through our business.